Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am right here at Walmart and I decided to make a video. This is a very random video. I think it is good for me to make this video because I feel it's going to be helpful to you. So pretty much I'm going to show you how you can check out your things when you come to Walmart. So this is pretty much the machine right there where you can scan your items. I mean, when you go grocery shopping, you're going to do this. And if you're coming from a country where you're not used to doing this, I believe you have these things in your countries. But again, let me show you how it is done. So I just finished shopping. These are the things that I bought. I'm trying to see how I can show you the things I bought. These are the things I got. So you're going to watch me scan them and make my payments and everything. Alright, someone just texted me. I need to be fast really. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how it looks like, okay? So guys, when you come, pretty much this is your trolley and this is how it is. This is the machine. These are the things you're going to use. So the first thing is you pick up your item and you look for where the barcode is. So this is the barcode here, right? So I'm just going to place it right here. I'll just say start scanning.
Key in the item's code or look up item.
Yeah, so I put it on there. What is going on?
Key in the item's code or look up item.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so you see that once it picks up the barcode, it will display the price right there, which is this, and then you are good to go. You just place it in a bag, which is here. I place it in this bag. So I'm gonna do the same thing for, see, picks it up and tells you the price. So I'm pretty much going to continue doing this, but one thing I like to do is to separate my items. So I have like something really frozen there. I put all my frozen items in one and I put everything that's, you know, you understand what I'm saying. So like this one is my animal cracker. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing. I scan, it tells me the price and I put it right here because, you know, there's no space to do that. So my chocolate or whatever you want to call it, where's the barcode, guys? There it is, and I think this should be fine here. And I do this again. Oreo. This is my spice, pretty much, and I'll pick the next one. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for everything. So let's do something. So when you buy an item that doesn't really have like a barcode, it's gonna be pretty hard for you, and you'll be like, how much is this? How much is this worth? So all you have to do is place the item on here, right? And then you say look up item. So when you click on look up item,
Key in the item's code or look up item.
then it displays this and you can see cancel or look up item. You click on the
Select
look up
from list
item
or key
again,
in the item's code.
you can hear. And so right here I'm going to say I can type in the name, enter item name or code. So for me it's a tomato, so I'm going to, you see options being displayed here, and this is pretty much the Roma tomato, so I choose that option and I enter, and so it tells me that is the price, and you can see that it is displayed right here. So I will take this out and add it to my grocery bag. So that's what you do for every item that you buy. So I'm going to do this for everything here, for my chicken, for my potato, for my cake, my, you know, Coca-Cola drink right there, my oil, my orange, my banana, my ice cream, and my eggs. And once I'm done, then I'll tell you how you can make your payments, and that will be it. Okay.
Key in the item. Select from list or key in the item's code.
So, did I key this in twice? Because it's just one.
Yeah, I'll just take this one.
Cancel items. Confirm cancel. Please wait for assistance.
So guys, I keyed this in twice, so it's helping me to take that out. And of course, we need assistance because he needs to include
Item
his
cancelled.
ID and all of those things. Thank you so very much. So we have this figured out. I'll go ahead and do the same thing for everything, and I'll be right back.
Select from list or key in.
So guys, when you take something and you feel like the barcode is pretty far or too tiny, you can quickly grab this tool right here. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's like another scanner, and just place it, click on it right here, and then scan the barcode, and you're good to go. So you don't have to place it on top of the scanner right here. I hope that makes sense.
Unknown item. Set item aside and touch OK.
Yeah, but it's right here. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this is the total of the items that I purchased. So all I'm going to do is grab any of my debit card right here, and once I do that, I'm just going to swipe it right here or insert it here, and then put in my PIN and enter, and I will authorize them to deduct that amount from my bank account. So that's all I'm going to do, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, bye bye.
Do you wish to continue?
Yes, I want to continue.
Insert cash or select payment type.
And then you see that it has been approved, and you can take out your card and it will generate a receipt for you. So don't leave. Once it's done, it will generate a receipt for you. You pretty much take this receipt because
Shopping at Walmart.
you might need it in the future. So there we have it, guys. I hope you learned something today. So guys, I'm done. I hope you learned something. I don't know, it was a very random video. I just thought I should make it because sometimes it's very hard for you to like understand how it works here. So you just come with your card, scan them if you can, and when you are done scanning, you know, just make your payments either using cash or using your debit card, and that's all there is. Okay, so guys, it's time to go home because I have been summoned. Now guys, where's my key? Okay, I see you right here. I see my key right here. So guys, remember I mentioned that your receipt is very important. Now, how important is this? Let's say you buy these items and you get home and discover that one of the items is bad for any reason. Or let's say you bought some clothing items and you discover that it's not really your size and you want to take it back. Now you need to have that receipt to be able to let them know that you actually did purchase it at Walmart, and so they can refund your money or even give you a replacement for that item purchased. Does that make sense? Yeah. Thank me in the comments. Bye guys. Jesus. Jesus. I am so sorry. 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 Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so very much.
I don't say anything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thankfully,
Thank
there's
you.
nothing there.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for pulling over.
All right. Thank you. So guys, I'm home. Bye-bye.